You gotta obey the Lord. If you're out there doing stuff and you think you're going to get away with it, I'm going to do what I want to do anyhow because it never bothered me before, you won't get to that promised land. Amen. Observe to do. Not just knowing the word, but living it. There's a lot of people who know the word, but like I said, I think last Sunday keeps coming up. But are you living the word? Everybody says, I read the Bible, I'm a Christian, but are you living the word? Amen. Are you living the word? Are you doing what you're supposed to be doing, calling yourself being a Christian? Are you doing are you doing God's will or your own? God's promises are attached to our ... willingness to obey. God is trying to find out, are you willing to obey him? He wants to know.